My name is Amy Kircher. I'm faculty here at the University of Minnesota, and I direct the Center for Food Protection and Defense. I've been here 3 years, and I came from the Department of Defense, where I spent 10 years looking at data and informatics, responding to disasters. I spent some time in a mountain where I was able to do preparedness and response work for the Department of Defense. This year I'm teaching 2 courses that I'm very excited about. The first is Data for Decision Making. It is a course where we look at a lot of public health competencies for how do you take data and turn it into information where we can make actual science-based decisions and provide recommendations to decision makers like governors and CEOs of companies and agency directors. So how do you take the data that is robust and everywhere and turn it into some informatics that we can then use to make appropriate decisions in the field of public health? That'll be taught the first week. The third week we are teaching applied critical thinking in the workforce. And that course was actually requested, and we heard a lot about it from industry and from government agencies, where they want students to come into the workforce with skills in negotiation and facilitation. And how do you write briefing notes and papers, and how do you build presentations and deliver content and information in a meaningful way so that you can be successful in your role and in your position? Both courses are very hands-on. Students will be involved in finding data, analyzing it, and then piecing it together to answer questions. They may find themselves in front of a camera at a press conference. In the course on applied critical thinking, they might find themselves in scenarios and situations where they are negotiating a point for Congress or legislation. They might also find themselves responding to the President of the United States in a simulated situation. So both courses have daily hands-on application for the students. The Public Health Institute offers such a unique opportunity where we can come in and deliver content and interact with students in a meaningful way such that they can hone and practice their skills in those environments. So it is a really unique opportunity for us to apply the knowledge we're gaining real time with students and with faculty. We also bring in other instructors that come from different perspectives. So in the applied critical thinking, we'll have another instructor that comes from the USDA and can provide real-world situations that she's been involved with that the students will gain knowledge from and then practice their skills before leaving at the end of the week.